What if you had a crystal ball that could tell you which ETF to invest in for maximum returns? Would you want to know the answer? Picture this: a world of investing that isn't just about picking random stocks and hoping for the best. Enter the realm of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, a type of security that involves a collection of securities, such as stocks, that often track an underlying index. Now, as an investor, you understand the importance of smart investing. Of course, everyone wants their portfolio to grow. But how do you decide where to put your money? Two names you may have come across in your research are SCHD and DGRO. Both are ETFs, but they cater to different investment strategies and offer varying returns. Imagine being able to make an informed choice between the two, to have the confidence to say, this is the right investment for me. So if you're intrigued and want to know which one will give you the best bang for your buck, stay tuned. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's start with SCHD, an ETF that's been a hot topic among investors recently. SCHD, or Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, is a name that's been buzzing around the investing world lately. It's a fund that's been designed with a focus on high dividend yields. That means it's packed with companies that regularly pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders. And when it comes to annual yield, SCHD doesn't disappoint. It boasts an impressive yield that hovers around the 3% mark. Now let's dive a bit deeper. SCHD is not just about dividends, it's about stable, high-quality companies. The fund's top holdings include well-established firms like IBM, Pfizer, and Procter & Gamble. These are companies that have a proven track record of performance and reliability. They're the kind of companies that can weather economic storms and still come out on top. But it's not just the big names that make SCHD stand out, it's also its sector diversification. The fund is spread across a wide range of sectors, from technology to healthcare to consumer goods. This kind of diversification can help cushion the blow during market downturns and provide a broader exposure to the market's potential upside. Here's a surprising fact about SCHD. It's a relatively new player in the ETF world. It was launched less than a decade ago in the fourth quarter of 2011. But don't let its youth fool you. SCHD has quickly made a name for itself in the investing world, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. And one more thing, SCHD isn't just about returns, it's also about cost efficiency. The fund has an expense ratio of just 0.06%. That's one of the lowest you'll find in the ETF market. Impressive, isn't it? But don't make up your mind just yet, there's another contender in the ring. Now, let's shift gears and talk about DGRO, another ETF that's been turning heads. DGRO, or the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, is a fund that focuses primarily on companies that have a record of growing their dividends over time. This ETF offers a unique strategy that's designed to provide a balance between high yield and growth potential. Now let's delve deeper into the specifics of DGRO. This ETF has an annual yield that hovers around 2%. While that might seem modest compared to some high-yield funds, remember that DGRO's strategy is about consistent growth over time, not necessarily immediate high returns. The top holdings of DGRO are a who's who of reliable, well-established companies. Think Microsoft, Apple, and Johnson & Johnson. These are companies that have a history of reliably increasing their dividends, which is exactly what DGRO aims to capture. And when it comes to sector diversification, DGRO delivers as well. The fund is spread across multiple sectors, with a heavy emphasis on technology, healthcare, and consumer discretionary sectors. This diversification helps manage risk and promote steady growth. Now here's a surprising fact about DGRO that you might not know. Despite its focus on dividend growth, DGRO actually has a lower expense ratio than many other dividend-focused ETFs. This means that DGRO is not just about growth, but also about cost efficiency. Another interesting tidbit is that DGRO's strategy of focusing on dividend growth rather than high yield means it tends to have lower volatility than high-yield funds. This makes DGRO a potentially good choice for investors looking for a smoother ride in the market. DGRO, with its focus on dividend growth and cost efficiency, offers a unique approach among ETFs. It seeks to provide investors with a steady stream of income that grows over time rather than chasing after the highest possible yield. So, now that you know about both SCHD and DGRO, the question remains, which one should you invest in? It's time for the ultimate showdown, SCHD versus DGRO. Who will come out on top? In one corner we have SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. This fund aims to track the performance of the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index, which is made up of high dividend yielding US stocks. SCHD is a big believer in consistency, focusing on companies that have a record of paying out dividends for at least the past 10 years. It's like the steady, reliable tortoise in our race. On the other hand, DGRO, the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, tracks the Morningstar US Dividend Growth Index. This fund focuses on companies that have a 5-year history of dividend growth. It's less concerned with the size of the dividend, and more interested in whether that dividend is growing. Think of DGRO as the hare, always chasing after the next big thing. So how do these two ETFs stack up against each other? Let's start with their annual yields. SCHD has an annual yield of around 3.5%. DGRO's annual yield, on the other hand, is about 2.5%. If you're looking for a higher yield right now, SCHD might be the way to go, but remember, yield isn't everything. DGRO's focus on dividend growth can be a smart, long-term strategy. Companies that consistently grow their dividends are often financially healthy and well-managed. They're the kind of companies that can weather economic storms and come out stronger on the other side. Let's also consider the sector exposure of these two ETFs. SCHD is heavily weighted towards financials and consumer staples, while DGRO has a significant allocation in the technology sector. If you believe in the continued growth of tech companies, DGRO could be a better fit for you. Finally, let's talk about fees. Both ETFs have low expense ratios, but DGRO is slightly cheaper, with an expense ratio of 0.08%, compared to SCHD's 0.06%. While this difference might seem small, it can add up over time, especially if you're a long-term investor. So, which ETF is right for you? Well, it depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for consistent income, SCHD's focus on high-yielding, stable companies might appeal to you. But if you're willing to take on a bit more risk for potentially higher returns, DGRO's emphasis on dividend growth could be a good fit. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to investing. What works best for you might not work best for someone else. So there you have it, a comprehensive comparison of SCHD and DGRO. We've journeyed together through the terrain of these two ETF giants, dissecting their characteristics, scrutinizing their performances, and evaluating their potentials. We've explored how SCHD, with its focus on high dividend-yielding U.S. companies, offers a steady income stream and a potential cushion during market downturns. We've also witnessed the allure of DGRO, a fund that targets companies with a track record of growing their dividends, making it a compelling choice for those with a long-term growth perspective. But, as with all things in the investing world, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your investment decision between SCHD and DGRO should hinge on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Are you seeking steady income now? SCHD may be your companion, or are you more interested in companies that could increase their dividends over time, potentially leading to higher capital appreciation? Then DGRO might be your ticket. And for those of you who've stuck with us until the end, here's a special nugget of wisdom. Diversification is the spice of an investment portfolio. Consider allocating your assets across both SCHD and DGRO, and other asset classes as well, to spread the risk and potentially enhance your returns. It's a strategy that stood the test of time and market cycles. In conclusion, whether you choose SCHD, DGRO, or a blend of both, the most important thing is to stay informed and make educated decisions. Investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about building wealth over the long haul, and the key to that is continuous learning and understanding. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Remember, the key to successful investing is continuous learning and staying informed.